Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 47, and in this exercise, we will create the whole model by only three features. The first one is a boss extruded, and second one is extruded cut, and third one is a fillet. So let's create on SolidWorks. Here, select a new, select part, and apply OK. Select front plane and go to sketch. Select a line and draw lines like that. Length of this horizontal line is 100 mm, and this inclined line has a 60 mm length, right? And the angle between these two is 62 plus 90, so it is 152. Now go to offset entity and select this one, and here make sure cap ends is selected with the lines. Apply OK. Now go to features and select bed boss. Select mid plane, and here is a 30 mm. Apply OK. Now go to features, fillet, and select this last option. Now select this one, and now select this one. Apply OK. Select fillet again and select this one. Now select this one and select this one. Apply OK. Now again select fillet and select this option, and now select deselect this tangent propagation and select this edge and select this edge, that is 5 mm fillet, so apply 5 mm. Apply OK. Now select front plane and go to sketch. Select a line and draw one line like that. Now again select a line and draw a line like that. Select smart dimension, and distance between these two is 25. And now select this 3-point arc, and this is 10 mm radius. Select this arc and select this line and make tangent. Select this line and select this arc and make tangent. Now our sketch is fully defined. Just close the contour. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded cut, and here select through wall both. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch, and now select line command and draw lines like that. Select smart dimension. This angle is 25 plus 90. Now this line and this line are parallel to each other, and this line is horizontal. And select smart dimension again, and this is 90 plus 35. Now select smart dimension again, and this distance is 26, and this distance is 10, and this distance is 31.5, 31 only. Now select the midpoint of this line. This is the midpoint, and select this origin and make horizontal. Now just close the contour here. Apply OK. Now go to features and select extruded cut and apply OK. So now select this one and go to sketch. Select a slot and draw one slot here like that. Now select smart dimension. The length of this slot is 50 mm and width is 10 mm, and distance from here is 60. Now select circle and draw two circles. Both circles have the same diameter, so apply equal. And diameter of this circle is 6 mm. Apply OK. Now go to feature and select boss. Here is a 2 mm only, so apply 2 mm. Now select extruded cut and select the same sketch. Just clear selections and select this contour and this contour. and here select up to next, apply OK. Now go to here and apply appearance, select body and select this one, and this is our isometric view. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like.